Welcome to the opening. Quick refresher on Groupwise. We've been using this system for several years now, so for those of you that have been around a while, you know how this works. For those of you that are new and maybe haven't used Groupwise, this is what our district uses for information, email, calendars, and those things. Here's a look at my inbox. I put my password in to get in here, and this is where you can do almost anything you want as far as personal assistance. It's not quite as up to date maybe as some things that you might be used to, but it's really is pretty handy. So you've got your mailbox here with all the things that you like to have. You can sort it any way you want to sort. Just click on the column that you want to sort. The other thing that we have that can be utilized frequently is the calendar. You can put all your appointments in here. You can actually share calendar with other people. You can make an appointment, share that appointment with other folks, and they have access to that too. You can look at a day, a week, a month, or the entire year, depending on whatever your situation might be. You can store documents in here if there's different things that you need to hang on to. In the email system, you can create a task list, which allows you to get in there and see different things that are going on. Here's one that I had set up from last year. Inside your cabinet, you can create several different folders to organize all your different thoughts, and it's really easy to create that folder. If you just right click on the cabinet and choose new folder, you can create a folder that does what you need it to do. I've got one for flipped learning, one for my different classes that I can store emails in by period, or I can also store students' correspondence in a confidential file, or just whatever I need to have. If you get something that's really junky, just drag and drop it down here into junk mail, and then of course trash. So all of this happens inside your Groupwise. It's a pretty robust way that we use our email. You can also access this from home, but that's another video lesson coming up down the road. The other thing that you can do with Groupwise is you can email your entire staff. And so what you'll do on that is you would simply create a new email. By clicking new mail, you would choose the address book, and somewhere in there you will have the memorial staff. If you're a new staff member, you don't have this yet, and there will be a separate video for that. Simply click the memorial faculty and two, and you're ready to go. Put your subject, type in your words, and choose send. So that's the email part. If you're in the calendar, all you need to do is click to create a new appointment or a new task. And again, you can send it to yourself or to somebody else. You can carbon copy or blind carbon copy just like you would an email. If you really want to play a dirty on somebody, send them one of these and put an expiration date of like 5 years from now. They'll see it every day for quite a while. And go ahead and try it out, but not on me. I'll know who you are. You'll lose points from the game. And so there you go. There's a quick overview of Groupwise. We'll come back later with an email video on how to batch your emails so that you can email all your students at once, your student parents at once. And we'll talk about a couple other little neat tips and tricks. But this is the opening to your friendly email client.